Hey, the video's on rebuilding the old 2550s. I got everything back from the machine shop. I'll show you some different new design changes from the new machines to the old machines. You know what? I deal with a very, very old machine shop. They are back from the oil days. It shows. Things are starting to get a little miscommunication and stuff. The machinist that I deal with was sick, so we had an apprentice do the work, and I'm going to have to clean up some stuff on it, which is fine. But I think I'm going to be testing out another machine shop that's closer to me because some bolts for the shoulder bolts, they made them the old size, and I specifically I left them a sample of the 5/8 shoulder bolt to go up a size, so that's got to be reamed out. I may ream them myself. I'm just tossing in the air, or I may test try another machine shop that's close to me that everybody keeps saying, hey, try them out. So anyway, we're giving away another shirt. The old shirt things before I start this, it was 100 comments. Nah, you know what? By next weekend. So in order to win a shirt, all you got to do is make a comment, as long as it's constructive. I don't care what it is, what you make a comment, hi, bye, whatever the hell it is. Each time you make entries, as long as you have to make a new comment. Don't put it in a reply, because the way the computer picks it picks it out of new comments, all right? And so whatever it is, if there's 25, 50, 30 comments, whatever, that's what we'll pick from next week, all right? So it's for the t-shirts that you see them, Stump Grinding Mafia t-shirts. So they're free. All I have is medium, large, and extra large, okay? So enter, it's free. I send them to you anywhere in the world, all right? God bless you. Watch the video, give it a like. You got to be a subscriber, okay? You got to hit the like button on the video. And that's all there is to enter for a free shirt. So every other week I'm giving away one. So what it is this week we start the contest. Next week I give away a shirt. The following week we start a contest. The following week after that we give away shirts. Every 2 weeks it's giving away a shirt, all right? That's my way of giving back. And for some of you people that aren't stump grinders and all, I'll be introducing another shirt. When these shirts are done, I'll be doing future blue collar millionaire shirts. God bless you. And I have to add the artwork to the spring store, and I'll put them in there. And if you don't want to wait to win, you can go through there. But it takes a while to do this computer stuff, and I've been swamped. So hang back, watch it. It's a short video. It's just of the parts coming back and applications and what I've changed in them. And God bless you, man. Well, the parts came in from the machine shop. They put new crush bushings inside. This is for the old 2550. They machined down this narrower since I upplated the machine. There is one mistake from the machine shop, which what I did, I beefed up. I'll show you here in a minute, but they beefed them up for me to where your steering runs in with the Heims joints, left to right. So I'll show you when it's put together, but the newer machine run a bigger Heims joint. And I have a system to where I already left over from another project. So I'm gonna run a thicker shaft, I think, or if I run these, I may have to go to the next size, smaller shoulder bolt. So I have to go to a supply house and figure out what size I need. So the center is able to be put in. I'll put that in this week. Also, the pin that the system rides on, I'm using the newer system, which has a castle nut and has a cotter pin that goes through it. And the newer machines, what they use is I'll show you here in a second. Hold on, let me get this all set up. The new machines use a oil impregnated polyurethane bushing, okay? These wear out around 500-600 hours. A lot of people say, oh, they don't. Yeah, they do, okay? The old ones are steel crush bushings in there. I had new ones put in. So that's in there. This pin will go in through here. And we have a better system. Basically, we took what they designed on the newer machines as far as the pin, and it has, you know, the castle nut and the cotter pin to keep it from backing out. So we're going with the newer system on an old machine, and we're doing shoulder bolts. These are shoulder bolts on the older machine instead of what they did on the old ones. They just used to use grade 8 bolts, and when they were sitting inside a hole, the threads would wear down and they get weeble wobble in there, and you'd have to change them out. I don't like that, so we're going to go with a shoulder bolt, and I'm probably going to put a crush bushing inside the hole where the shoulder bolts. That's what they use on the new ones. So let me show you some improvement. The newer machines, this machine's disgustingly dirty from 2 days of crap. I also tore my skirt. I have to repair that. Got stuck on, I don't know what it was, a log or something. Anyway, there, you got the shoulder bolts there. These washers they're using in there, you'll find a grade 8 and you say, oh, I'm close. No, they're NA or ANN, Army Navy spec, to where they're higher tolerance around the collar of the shoulder bolt. Also, what they changed is, you see this right here, this cutout? They cut it out so you can get your socket down there, your 3/8 Allen down there, to go to the shoulder bolt and tighten it up properly. And I guess it's helping on the assembly line. So hats off to them for that. And I'll show you what I'll have to do on these. What I'll have to do is do the same thing. I'll just cut a little recess around through here, and I'll cut it, and that way I've got access the same way. All right, so these are all beefed up so things don't wear out and weeble wobble. Because the old system was, it was going through this thickness of metal, which is I think 1/2 inch, and after a while these bolts would, you know, through that Heims, it's 10-ton ram pulling on it, back and forth. Something's got to give. Right, so my old machine's got well over 1,200, 1,500 hours on it, something like that. So we're beefing her up.